Hi, everybody. My name's Megan Beaker. I'm currently in my 6th year of teaching. I teach at USD 412 Hoxie Community Schools, and I've taught here for 6 years. So I have been here in Hoxie my whole career. I received my degree in elementary education back in 2014. So I taught 6th grade for 1 year, and I enjoyed it. However, I had a great opportunity to move up to the junior high and high school. So I took the praxis the summer after my first year of teaching and was successful. So I moved up to the junior senior high school, and I currently teach junior high English as well as English 1. My husband, who's the high school history teacher here in Hoxie, and I are both working towards our master's in instructional technology. It's really nice to have someone so close to me that I'm able to just talk about new technologies that I see and hold me accountable and make sure that I'm getting things taken care of. And it's kind of fun to have the competitive aspect of that too. Together, we have a sweet Boston Terrier named Marvin, and we just love him to pieces. Some goals that I have: I want to be more aware and comfortable with new and upcoming technologies, and I kind of want to try to be ahead of the game when it comes to technology and just really be aware with what's going on. I also want to learn a little bit more about how to effectively use technology within my content area. I want to be comfortable enough with technology or on my technological journey so that I can help other teachers, I guess, become more comfortable with technology in their classrooms and kind of work as a resource about and for technology in my district. Some strengths: I do feel that I'm very open-minded and I'm very inquisitive. I really like to figure out how things work on my own, and I really like to try new things in my classroom, even if they don't go particularly to plan. I think that I do a great job, even though it's hard sometimes to reflect on my teaching, and I'm constantly looking for growth and change and just trying to keep that growth mindset in my teaching. I'm blessed and thankful to be in a school that is one-to-one laptops for our high school students, and then there are Chromebook carts available for junior high students as well. Some weaknesses: I do feel like for the past couple of years, I've tried new things, but I really wasn't teaching the way that I wanted to teach. Um, I have kind of just been on survival mode when it comes to my teaching. And so I'm really trying to step out of my comfort zone this year and years beyond to do things that are really good for the students and helpful for the students and aren't just the same things that I've done year after year. So I'm kind of trying to shake up my curriculum a little bit. Um, I also kind of struggle with some forced creativity. I think that can be kind of tricky for me, especially when I don't have a lot of time to come up with a project or an assignment. And I constantly worry about students and making sure that they're learning what they need to learn. So I'm always interested in finding great and free educational resources, especially in English language arts classroom, and finding new technologies that we can use within my classroom. So, some goals kind of that I have related to my degree or why I'm interested in my degree of instructional technology is I want to be an asset, not only for my current district, but for any district that I might work for in the future. My husband and I really enjoy living in Hoxie. It's very similar to where we grew up, and I would love to help our district become a leader in technology in the classroom in the state of Kansas and maybe all over the United States. I think technologies an important part of our society because it's definitely not going anywhere. And I think we need to find the most effective way to implement that into our classroom, especially for student success and engagement. Um, some, I guess, tips that I have already written down all of my due dates in my planner. I live in my planner. I also put reminders on my phone about when things are due. Um, I know that I'm extremely busy. I am the high school cheer sponsor, as well as I'm in charge of 3 different organizations here at the high school. So busy is kind of my middle name. So I write everything down. I already have it written down. I have reminders set in my phone. I set those reminders a couple days before things are due, and just trying to, I guess, break things into bits so that I don't feel so overwhelmed and I'm not trying to get everything done last minute. So I think that also reflection is the key to success in teaching and in education in general. So I really look forward to hear from all of you and watch your videos and just get to know you all a little bit better. And I'm really excited to take this class in these 8 weeks. So that's all I've got for today. Have a great day. See you guys.